Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will draw and color a cute and funny flounder together. Now, let's get started with the drawing. The flounder is a type of fish that lives close to the ocean floor, with a flat body and both eyes located on the same side. Thanks to this unique feature, flounders can easily observe their surroundings while lying flat against the sandy seabed. They also have the ability to change their skin color and patterns to blend into their environment, helping them avoid predators and ambush their prey. Flounders often stay still for long periods, patiently waiting for the right moment. Their flat and unusual shape makes them a very interesting subject for drawing and coloring. Now, it's time to start coloring. And now, we have finished drawing and coloring this flounder. Doesn't it look really cute? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it to support the artwork. Thank you so much for watching!